Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Raider GE76. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their MSI Raider GE76 gets too hot to use. This overheating can be caused by dust accumulation, insufficient cooling, or failing thermal paste. If left unchecked, it may lead to hardware damage or reduced performance, making it crucial to address the issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, stable surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger to avoid scratching the surface. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. Once open, locate the cooling system, which typically includes the fans and heat sink. Inspect the fans for dust buildup. If you find any, use the can of compressed air to blow it out, ensuring you do this in a well-ventilated area. If the thermal paste appears dry or cracked, you will need to replace it. Carefully unscrew the heatsink from the motherboard and gently lift it off. Make sure to disconnect any cables attached to the cooling system. At this point, you might want to clean the old thermal paste from both the heatsink and the CPU using a lint-free cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU surface, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heatsink and ensure all screws are tightened securely, but be careful not to apply too much force as this can damage the components. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are seated correctly. Now, place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Once done, power on your device and check if the overheating issue persists. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your MSI Raider GE76 from overheating in the future, regularly clean the vents and fans, ensure it is placed on a hard surface for proper airflow, and consider using a cooling pad during heavy usage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.